Welcome back. Thanks so much for staying with us here on India Today. Now, as the world is battling the coronavirus pandemic, the COVID warriors across the world are being honored for their extraordinary, exemplary work. A Mysore-origin doctor, Dr. Uma Madhusudhan, who has been treating COVID patients at South Windsor Hospital in Connecticut state of the United States, was honored in front of her residence with a parade by over 100 cars. The video, which has gone viral, shows an entourage of people cheering for the doctor. Dr. Uma Madhusudhan is an alumnus of JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research and is a 1990 batch graduate from JSS Medical College in Mysuru. Our correspondent Nolan Pinto helped us get in touch with Dr. Uma. She joins us live now. Dr. Uma, thanks so much. Appreciate you taking time out and joining us on this broadcast. First up, the doctors have been at the forefront in fighting COVID-19. Why don't you tell us about that parade that took place outside your home?
So first of all, I would like to thank India Today for inviting me to have a chat. So about the parade, this was organized by the South Windsor town to appreciate the frontline or healthcare workers who are working for against COVID-19. So they decided to thank all the people in the frontline, and I was fortunate to be one of them.
And of course, big salute goes out to you for the kind of exemplary work you doctors are doing right there in the front line. Humanity needs to be thankful for doctors and COVID warriors like you. So for how many days have you been busy with treating COVID-19 patients in the hospital, and how did you manage to make your work-life balance and give time to your family as well?
Okay. So it's been already like 4 to 5 weeks I've been taking care of COVID patients, and it has been really physically and emotionally very draining. And first of all, I would like to thank my family, my husband Satish, and my daughters, and my father, who is older, who lives with us. It has been a great support from them. We do, working in the front line. I definitely I have the fear of getting the infection to the house, infecting the family members. However, I do come home, quarantine myself. We do have social distancing, but the smile of my daughters, my husband, my father, it's keeping me going. So I do spend some time. So I didn't decide to stay back, even though Hartford Healthcare, where I work, they provide accommodation if you want to, but I prefer coming home and seeing them at least.
Absolutely. In fact, all of us have that smile on our faces when we go back home to our family. What message is it, doctor, that you would like to give out to other doctors in India who are at these kind of pandemic times of a pandemic, working in difficult conditions? Some are being attacked, some who have lost their lives as well, are not even being allowed a decent funeral, like what happened in Tamil Nadu as well with the late Dr. Hercules Simons.
Yeah, this is like Tamil Nadu incident is really heartbreaking. Majority of us, we believed that, growing up in India, like we always believe we give like utmost respect to doctors, and we trust doctors so much. And I think this is like a stray incident which happens everywhere in the world. But I definitely say that we should condemn in strong words, and I just definitely feel that my colleagues back in India, they are working in much more stressful conditions than what we are doing here, and we have done great in the past, like exterminating polio. So I definitely feel that all the healthcare workers there back in India or across the world needs to be given utmost love, care, encouragement, because the healthcare workers are the ones who can make a difference, who can really make a difference in this pandemic, catastrophic pandemic. That's what I would say.
Well, you rightly put it right there. All the healthcare workers are the ones who are at the front line. They're the ones making a massive difference to humanity in a pandemic like this. I thank you very much, Dr. Uma, for joining us on this broadcast today and taking the time out as well. Appreciate it all.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.